Welcome one more time to all my dear students. In the last video, we have understood about the addition and subtraction of integer. But now in this video, we will go towards the multiplication and division rules for integers. First of all, let us start with multiplication of two integers. Rule number 1. Suppose if we have one integer as plus 2 and another integer as plus 4. Now if we have to multiply these two integers, that means 2 multiply with 4. As you can see, both the integers are positive and the greater integer carries the positive sign. So the answer will come in the positive only. So here I have written in the answer as in plus, and 4 into 2 becomes 8. The answer is plus 8. Let us do the next question, the next rule. Now let us take the first integer as positive and the second integer as negative, and we have to multiply them. That means 2 multiplied by minus 4. Now the answer will be the same, 4 into 2, that will become 8 only, but the sign of the greater number will come. The sign of the greater number is minus, so hence our answer will also add up with the answer as an minus 8. Now let us move towards the rule number 3. For the rule number 3, let us take now this time the first number as a negative integer and the second number with the positive integer. So as such we have to multiply them. Again you can understand 4 into 2 will become 8, but thing is that it is sure that the greater number is having a positive sign. But as such we are doing the multiplication, so the answer will come in the negative only. So here the answer will be minus 8. Please keep that thing in the mind. Now let us take the fourth rule. Let us take both the integers as negative, minus 2 and minus 4, and let's multiply them. As you all know that when the two negative integers get multiplied, that means minus multiplied by minus, the answer will always be in a positive. So 4 into 2, that will be the same as an 8, but the answer will be plus 8. So this is a rule which will be regarding the multiplication. I hope you all have understood that. Now let us move towards the second heading, that is we will talk about now division. In the division, the rule number 1. Let us talk about the rule number 1 first. Let me take a very easy number, so at least you should not face any problem. Let me take the first integer as positive 10 and the second integer as in positive 2. Now what we have to do is that now this time we have to divide the numbers. So it will be like this, 10 divided by 2. No need to put the sign of positive here, and it comes as an 5. As such you can see the answer will come as in positive. So let us mention that positive sign also, that is plus 5. That's the answer. As such the greater number carries the positive sign. Now let us take another example. Let us take the first one as in positive, that is plus 10, and the second number let us take as a negative, that is minus 2. The first integer is positive, whereas the second integer is negative. So let us divide them. 10 divided by minus 2. Let me put that thing in a bracket. My dear students, the answer will be 5 only, but the answer will be a negative integer. Remember students, when one positive integer divided by a negative integer, the answer will always be in the negative. Let us move towards the rule number 3. my dear students, let us move towards the rule number 3. Let us take the first number as the negative integer like minus 10, and let us take the next number that will be the plus 2. And let us divide them. If we will divide the minus 10 divided by plus 2, no need to put the sign of positive. Yeah, my dear students, the answer will be the 5 only, no changes in the answer. But it will be minus 5. Because, my dear students, it should be remembered that when a minus number is divided by a plus number, the answer will always come in the negative. Now let us talk about the fourth and the last rule for the subtraction. Now dear students, let us take the first integer, the negative, as well as the second integer, also negative. Let us divide them. So minus 10 when divided by, my dear students, minus 2. The answer will be obviously plus 5. No changes that is 5, but it will come as plus 5, not the minus 5, because it should be kept in the mind when the minus number is divided by minus number, answer will always be in the positive. So these are the rules that you have to remember. My dear students, it should be kept in the mind when we multiply the two integers. Kindly make sure whatever the answer you are obtaining, it should carry the proper sign. In the division also, please remember that the minus sign comes when the positive sign comes. Don't do the mistake in that. And remember, my dear students, it is very much essential that you have to keep on practicing these questions a lot, because everyone knows that practice makes everyone perfect. I am sure you all have understood now the multiplication and division of two integers. In the upcoming videos, I am going to share the more topics of the mathematics. Hope sure you are liking my channel, and kindly please press the bell icon so at least I should get the encouragement just to make more videos like this. And keeps on subscribing me and sharing me and comment me. And if you're facing any problem in any of the question regarding the integers, you can ask me, marking in the comment box. Thank you very much, students, and be blessed and love the mathematics, because mathematics is not at all a mathematics, my dear students. It's a mathemagic. Thank you.